mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But we're about to get started with packing up my house. I'm moving in like less than a week, y'all. I think it's literally like 4 days. And I packed a little bit of stuff. If y'all see my last video, I packed a little bit of stuff, but not really that much. But today, we about to really start packing, okay? So I'm gonna pack my kitchen first, like things that I do not need right now, like the obvious, like, you know, like some pots and things like that I don't use every day, because it's still a lot of stuff that I do use. So I kind of don't want to pack every single thing, but I want to pack majority of my stuff, if that makes sense. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Lowe's because I need duct tape, and I also need like the little pudding to like cover the holes in the walls, because I did have like pictures hanging. And then I also had my TVs mounted to y'all. So we just have a lot to do, okay? So I guess this is kind of going to be like a moving vlog, kind of. Yeah, so if y'all are interested, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get right into it. So yeah, I'm going to start off in my pantry. I have like little bins and stuff. Yeah, I have like stuff like this, y'all, that has like food in it. So I'm moving back home, y'all, for a couple months. Moving back home for a couple months, so I'm not going to be using stuff like this. We're not doing the whole aesthetic. We'll do that when I get my next place, but for right now, we're not doing all that. So these need to be emptied and clean, and I'm just going to package them away. So I'm going to just throw all this away, y'all. I don't even eat cereal, so I don't even know why I have these, but yeah, so we're just going to take stuff out of here and just empty it. Some stuff can get thrown away. Like this stuff right here is filled with Splenda, and I don't even use this, y'all. So that's getting thrown away. And then I have literally a corner of oatmeal. I'm like, why did I do that? That's not even enough for a bowl, so that needs to get thrown away. And I'll put all this stuff in the dishwasher so it can get cleaned. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk through this whole process because I know y'all don't feel like hearing me talk this whole time. So yeah, we're just gonna do what it do and get it together. Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's the next day. Girl, so we're about to head out to Walmart because I'm gonna get, I think I told y'all, I'm gonna get like the little putty to cover the holes in my walls from hanging pictures. I wasn't gonna Lowe's, but I'm like, let me just go to Walmart because it might be a little bit cheaper. I don't think putty is expensive, but I'm just gonna go to Walmart, and then I'm gonna get me some tape for my boxes, y'all, because yeah, today it's really crunch time. Like, I have literally like 2 days basically before I have to move, so I need to kind of get all this stuff together, y'all. And I look crazy today. My shirt is wrinkly. It just is what it is. But yeah, so that's the plan today. And then we're gonna go to the farmer's market. I kind of want to get me some vegetables because I kind of want to make this little stir fry. So I think I'm gonna get me some vegetables. I was gonna put on a hat, y'all, but I think I'm gonna just try to do my hair. I want to look a little bit presentable. My hair, I cannot wait, y'all, to get my hair done. I get my hair done in like 2 weeks. It's been so long since I've had my hair done. Like, oh my gosh, I want to say it's been like 6 months. And yeah, it's really time because, baby, these little ponytails is getting tired, okay? These ponytails are getting tired. Yeah, we putting on a hat because this head is just not, it's just not giving. So I'm gonna put on a little hat. And I think it's hot outside, so yeah. When I get my hair done, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? Okay, this is the vibes. And y'all, I have on these workout pants. Like, girl, where are you going? Let me spray some perfume and put some, I can't even do my whole skincare. I'm gonna have to use some moisturizer. Oh my god. Yeah, I hate rushing. And I'm selling my stuff on Facebook Marketplace. This is like my first time ever doing it. And so I have a buyer. So hopefully they're really going to pull through and come get what I'm selling. Because we don't have time to play no games, okay? Is you really going to come get it or not? So we're still waiting on a little response. I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna use Coffee Break for my perfume. This smells so good, y'all. Like, I love this. I'll be drowning in it, okay? Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all once we get to Walmart. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember that. These look good. Baby, I'm in here. What's that? Oh, I'll take it. I want, yeah, yellow mangoes. Some good lettuce. Let's go down some. These pineapples look good. Should I get a pineapple? Yeah, but you don't want no salt in it. Yeah, oh no. Should I get a pineapple or no? You know, they're man-made. They are. Get some milk. I think I'm with this kid. I think I'm going to yellow. Can you give me yellow? Them reds look good, L. Yeah, the red look good too. These are so big. These are big. I'm going to use these today. I just want one. I'm going to get me a red. Just looking at that one. Oh. I don't know. What you think? What you think about this? This would be good. This is so good. I might make some sauce. Oh, yeah. What is, oh, that's green onion. Scallop. Look at that. 75 cents. Season. I'm going to get some lemon. Oh, look at the banana. Look how much the banana is. Right there. One for 50 cents.
$3 for $1.
You might as well get 3.
Yeah.
You need to take the lemons from the house. I thought Eri was gonna get it.
It'd be real.
These are real lemons.
This is too hard. That's hard as heck.
This is hard.
I don't know about this. I don't know about that. But I gotta get something else because they're gonna do a charge. Then I gotta do this one.
Oh, I thought you were telling the beef. Oh, the purple guy, huh? I love these.
Oh yeah, you should get that in
I
juice.
can eat beet all day.
Alright, lemon. And I think that's it for me. Over here. I ain't never seen plums like that. Gauge.
Pretty much will come off of a tree.
A tree. Made it to Walmart. No wipes. I really want to try this. They have a little one for $2.97. The big one is $8.82. I just want to try it. Healthy gums. I might get the healthy gums. What you looking for? Which one is better? Anti-plaque and anti-gingivitis. They don't have one for like just overall gum health. I want to try this. I'm gonna just try this. I'm gonna use my regular mouthwash, but then use this over it. I be want to get mouthwash that's good for overall gum health. I said I want to get mouthwash that's good for like overall gum health, but this one is just like for bad breath. You might need this. You might need. You might need this.
Get it, Blair.
You might need that. We need duct tape. But what kind of tape do you think I should put?
You be doing boxes. That's it. Like you just said, you're doing boxes.
Yeah.
Let me send that to you.
Alright y'all, so we just got back home. I got me some of these baked hot Cheeto fries. I don't know why I got these, but I feel like it's because I'm hungry. Like, I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. So, you know you can't go to the store when you're hungry because, girl, you're going to want everything. So, that's what I got from Walmart. And I also got the tape, of course, for the boxes. And I got the one that has the little cut where it can cut evenly. So, yeah, we got that. And then, what else did I get? I got the nail hole patch. This is the kind of brand that I got. Yeah, this should definitely do the job. So, and then what else? And y'all saw what I got from the farmer's market. Just some bell peppers because I'm about to make some lunch with bell peppers and like sausage and quinoa. So that's gonna be my little lunch. And then where is my other? Oh, here it is. Okay, I got lemons. And yeah, so we're about to make us some lunch because I'm hungry. And then we're gonna get with we're gonna start back packing up. So I'm gonna do the little boxes, put my stuff in there. I've literally washed all of my clothes that were in my drawers. I don't know, that's just like the neat freak in me. Like, I just wanted to wash everything. So yeah, I'm gonna fold those, put them in the boxes, and yeah, we're just gonna start packing her up. So yeah, I will see y'all once I get ready to start packing up, building the boxes, and yeah.